In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Zoom audio settings. Whether you're adjusting your audio for a meeting, a webinar, or just a casual video call, managing your audio settings is crucial to ensuring that you're both heard and listening clearly. So, let's get started and walk through these steps together. First, open up the Zoom application on your computer. Once you have it open, locate the profile icon. This will be in the upper right-hand corner of your Zoom application window. The profile icon typically appears as a small circle or square, featuring either your initials or a profile photo you've uploaded. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu that gives you various options related to your Zoom account and application settings. Next, from this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings. It's usually situated near the middle of the list, and clicking on it will bring up a new window filled with different categories of options you can customize. These categories range from general settings to video, security, and of course, audio, our focus for today. Now that you've clicked on settings, you should see a sidebar on the left-hand side of the window. Find and select the audio tab from this list. Choosing audio will lead you to a variety of settings specifically related to your speaker and microphone. This is where you'll be able to make all the necessary adjustments for your Zoom calls. In the audio settings window, you'll notice important features like speaker and microphone settings. These allow you to choose which hardware Zoom should use for playing back sound and capturing your voice. Take a moment to click the test speaker and test microphone buttons. This step is vital. It ensures that your devices are set up correctly and alerts you to any potential technical issues before your important call begins. In addition, pay attention to the volume sliders for both the speaker and microphone. You can adjust these sliders according to your preference. Ideally, you want your microphone slider to be at a level where you're easily heard, but not so high that background noise becomes an issue. For the speaker, select a comfortable volume where incoming voices are clear but not overwhelming. Zoom also offers the option to automatically adjust your microphone volume, which can be useful if you're in an environment where noise levels change frequently. Simply check or uncheck the box to enable or disable this feature as you see fit. Once all your preferred settings are in place, go ahead and close the settings window. Your audio settings will be saved and you're all set for your next Zoom session with perfectly adjusted sound. Tweaking these settings ahead of time ensures you have a seamless and professional audio experience, whether you're hosting a meeting or just catching up with friends. So, there you have it. Changing your Zoom audio settings is simple and makes a huge difference in your call quality. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way to guaranteeing a smooth and productive meeting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to tune in next time for more helpful tips and tutorials.